I have not specifically tried. So I've been into exercising quite a bit from the beginning.
Okay.
It's and I do weights and stuff, everything. So from based on like my research, the only things that come up is you do more hand exercises or.
Okay.
But none of that actually gives you a huge result. So
Okay.
it seems to me that this is not something that can go with just purely
Okay.
exercise.
So when you did exercise, so how much effect it has on this fold?
Nothing. I
Nothing.
know nothing that. In fact, over the years, I think it has only increased rather
Okay.
than decreased. Because I don't like 7 years ago. I don't think I had this.
Yeah,
right?
your weight is also normal, basically.
Yeah, it's normal.
So there is nothing to basically decrease the weight, basically. You tried exercise not to lose the weight, basically.
Oh yeah. I mean, initially maybe I think I was more chubby when I was in college.
Okay.
But that was 2010, 2011, and then I lost weight gradually only by doing
Okay.
lots of sports, exercise.
And what age you
everything.
noticed when it started?
I think when it started really hitting my eye was probably around 5 years back.
5 years back.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's when I
Which
realized-
side you start noticing? Or both sides?
Both ऐसा नहीं यार मुझे specifically
एक साथ
नहीं
दोनों
याद,
आने
हाँ,
स्टार्ट
हाँ.
हुए. ओके. एंड मेन रीजन फॉर क्या है कि सर्जरी
I
कराना
mean,
चाहते
I
हैं?
guess just aesthetic ही है.
Aesthetic
हाँ.
सो ये फोल्ड्स वगैरह दिखते हैं मेनली ना,
हाँ.
जब आप बेस स्लीवलेस
Yeah,
वगैरह
yeah,
डालते
yeah,
हैं.
yeah.
ओके. सो पेन वगैरह ऐसा कुछ इसके
नहीं,
अंदर?
nothing.
ओके. सो ये जो है बेसिकली दिस इज द मार्किंग वी हैव डन एंड टिल दिस रीजन. सो यहाँ तक हम जो है इसको कम्प्लीटली रिमूव करेंगे. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
सो वी मेक ए स्मॉल पंच ओवर हेयर एंड थ्रू दैट विल टेक आउट द एंटायर फैट बेसिकली. थोड़ा डाउन करिए एंड दिस इज द बेसिकली टिश्यू बेसिकली.
Right.
So we'll remove this entire tissue and same here basically. So this fold is because of the some breast tissue is there. It is a extra breast tissue which is formed and some fat. So mainly is the fat and some tissue. So we'll take out this. Basically this is the bulge
Yeah.
which we'll take out. Okay.
Okay.
So give local anesthesia, then with Vaser we'll take out the fat as well as this tissue.
Okay.
Okay, then this just down. So this fold basically when you see this is a prominent fold, this will go and you will get a normal underarm basically.
Okay.
Which you have, I think, since 4-5 years.
Yeah. Which I mean, I think it's fine. It's just more. You should have the option to wear.
Yeah, and you tried everything, right? All the options.
Oh no! I mean, there are no options. That's what I'm trying to say. There are no
No
options.
options,
Like
yes, sir.
you can either you exercise and like you do enough hand exercise, arm exercises, focused exercises. But again, like even with weight loss or all of these things, there is the whole fitness world knows that you can't target local. Like even when you're
Yes.
doing
But still you will
exercises,
find lot
you'll
of-
actually you can do muscles. Right? You
Yeah.
can target muscle areas, but you can't target fat areas.
And this is a basically breast tissue. So that it is, if it is fat, that it would have gone. This is a extra breast tissue. So this is a accessory breast tissue, axillary breast tissue. That's why it doesn't go. Even if you lose like 10 kg, 20 kg, suppose someone is overweight and if they lose, so there is no effect on that. So that is the reason. That's why people don't tell. And you find a lot of videos, basically, a lot of internet information that you do this exercise for 5 days, this will go.
No. 5 days, so I don't think anything can happen for sure. But even if you do it for an extended period, the thing is that मैंने तो देखा है, right? Like करा हुआ है, so मुझे ऐसा कुछ
नहीं होगा।
I don't think this can
क्योंकि
go.
उसका जो है बेसिकली कंपोजिशन इज डिफरेंट ना, ये
Right.
फैट नहीं है बेसिकली.
Right.
इसलिए आप कभी देखोगे ये नहीं जाता है.
Right.
ठीक है.
Okay.
So this is the procedure. So you are scared or
No, I'm not scared.
you have seen enough videos, surgery videos?
I've seen one, but
One.
I'm an anesthesia, so I think it's fine as long as you
Yes.
you have enough experience doing it. So I
Yeah.
hope it's fine.
Okay.